Hello, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to use Posca pen or acrylic markers on a jelly plate. Let's get started. So I'm going to use repeat patterns on this one. I think I'm going to go with circles. And this will take a while. And the reason for using them on the gel plate is you get a little bit more control. It's a nice contrast. After I'm finished drawing my design, I will put a layer of acrylic ink over it and pull a print. It will have kind of a distressed look. So I'll just keep going with this. I'll add in some other colors. And it's important that this be dry before I roll on my acrylic paint. Posca pens come in a variety of sizes, with the bullet tip that I'm using, chisel point, fine point. This is a 5M. I'm going to add some gold for fun. Okay, and when I'm done with my design, I'm going to let that dry, which I can just let it air dry, or I could hit it with a blow dryer, and then I will come back and I'm going to roll on some acrylic paint, a different color. I was going to go Prussian blue darker, but now I think I'm going to go orange, which will fill in all the gaps and will give it a bit of pop. Okay, I'm going to let that dry and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. My Posca pens are now dry and I'm going to roll on some orange acrylic paint with a brayer, and I'm going to use my Jack Richardson printmaking paper to pull a print. Just using a light touch. You want to get an even coating. Then I usually roll off some of that paint off to the side, and I can pick up a little bit off of my jelly print there, and I'm ready to go. And I usually let this sit for a couple of minutes to really absorb the paint and the markers. Okay, and there's my print with the Posca markers. You can see there's a little bit of a distressed look where it doesn't pick up some of the marker, but I quite like that. I still have some of the Posca marker left on here, so I could try and pull one more print maybe using a different color. Now I'm going to try my Prussian blue, considerably darker. I don't know what this is going to look like. Let's see. Same thing, I'll give that a few minutes to set, and then I'll pull the print. Okay, so that pulled up most of the Posca pen. That looks really great. 2 different versions. Okay.